Hello and welcome. Today, we're exploring the Carex Transport Wheelchair, a lightweight and portable solution perfect for those on the go or recovering from surgery. Weighing just 25 pounds, this folding transport chair features a sturdy steel frame and a 19-inch seat, ensuring both comfort and durability. The adjustable swing-away removable footrests and secure belt enhance safety and convenience, making it an ideal choice for medical transport or occasional use. Designed to fit easily into a car trunk, this wheelchair is perfect for travel and storage, offering full support during everyday transport. Assembling the chair is straightforward, and its compact design makes it a great alternative to wheelchair rentals. Trust in Carex, a leader in mobility solutions, to provide a reliable and comfortable experience for seniors, disabled individuals, and anyone in need of a dependable transport chair. So, whether you're bringing someone home from the hospital or need a folding companion wheelchair, the Carex Transport Wheelchair is your go-to choice for safety and comfort. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.